Hi, this is Karen. Today I'm doing a review on the Precision Works motorcycle helmet lock. This lock is made of steel. This part right here is made of steel. It's a carabiner style lock. It's very secure and durable. It has over 999 combinations you can create with your own combination. It comes with it at 0, and you can change it to whatever combination you'd like. It's very convenient and easy to store. It weighs less than 6 ounces. So easy to carry in your pocket. It can be used for any type of gear, not just helmets. You can just slide these back and it comes open. You can use it to secure your bags, bicycles, even strollers. It has a 72-inch steel line. It's coiled. And it has a weather-resistant coating on it. You can place the coil through your through the ring on your helmet. There's a metal ring. The metal ring right here. And attach the carabiner to the handlebars. Or just attach the carabiner to any secure place on your motorcycle, your bicycle, anywhere you need to use this. I love this lock. This is a review of the Precision Works lock. Thank you.